for the repair and replacement of the LCD screen and battery for the 3G iPhone. The tools you'll need are your small Phillips head screwdriver, your case opener tool, possibly a small flathead screwdriver, as well as a pen, paper clip, or a SIM removal tool to remove the SIM tray. You'll do this first. Use your pen, push it into the hole at the top to remove the SIM tray. Pull it out and set aside. Next, you remove the two small screws at the base of the unit with your Phillips screwdriver, one on either side of the port. Be sure to work on a surface where you can pick up these small screws easily, because they will get lost and are difficult to pick up. Okay, hold on to those screws. Next thing you'll do is remove the LCD screen. To do this is a little bit tricky. Be very, very careful. If you can use your case opener tool, that's best. Often these are not strong enough. You can use a small flathead screwdriver or a suction cup, where you can use a suction cup to just pull the screen out. To use a screwdriver, place it between the chrome and the front and gently lift up. Once you have that, you can kind of pry it a little bit better. Okay, lift up. There will be connectors, cables holding the screen to the rest of the unit. You'll want to remove these in numerical order. Often number 1 will pop off when you open it up. The next one is number 2. You can use your case opener tool and just pry that up. Number 3 is a ribbon cable. You need to flip the flap 90 degrees and then the cable will slide out. And there you've removed the front, the LCD screen. To get to the battery, you need to remove 7 screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up here by the number 6. And then 7 is this one down here, which is covered by a do not remove sticker. Once you remove this screw, your warranty will be voided. If you don't want that to happen, don't remove this screw and don't go any further. Okay, I've spared you having to watch me remove all of these screws. I'll just remove the last one here under the sticker. Open and okay. That one's going to stick in there because of the sticker, but we can move on. The next thing you'll do is you'll want to undo these 2 cables here, these 3 cables, excuse me, 4, 5, and 6. Number 4, you just pry up. 5 is this one with the silver top. Get your case opener tool under it and pry up. Number 6 is a small button type snap. Just lift that up. Next, you will lift your motherboard up gently, slide up. You'll need to flip it over. The camera will still be attached, so you need to undo that. With this cable here, just pop it off. You've removed your motherboard. This is your battery. This is stuck down with extremely tough double stick tape. There's this nice little handy tab right here. If you can, try pulling on that. This is not an easy task. You can use your case opener tool and try to get under there. Those might break. You can carefully use a screwdriver. Oh, there it goes. again, extremely sticky tape. And there's your battery. You've removed your battery. And that's all.